Welcome to Bonelab Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your system and grabbing permissions. You need Steam, Bonelab installed, and write access to its folder. Once those are ready, enable Steam's experimental or developer options so mod tools can load. Make sure to back up the game's config and input files before changing anything. You'll also want a simple text editor and a tool like 7-zip to inspect packages. Don't skip the backup. It saves hours if something goes wrong. Now you install the actual DevTools and adjust configs. You copy the mod loader or DevTools files into the Bonelab game directory, replacing only when you have backups. Once done, install any required runtimes or Unity dependencies the tools need to run. Then edit the game's config to enable the developer console and hot reload hooks, making sure path names match exactly. Restart Steam in developer mode, test the console, and confirm the tool's load. Finish by launching Bonelab with the dev flags you set and watching the console for initialization messages. You should see the DevTools banner and loaded mods. If not, check for missing DLLs or Unity version mismatches. Once stable, test a simple script or mod to confirm hot reload works. If the game crashes or tools fail, revert to your backup and inspect the log files, often reinstalling the specific runtime or restoring a matching tool version resolves it quickly. Keep a clean
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.